What you're about to watch is a testimonial from a new Recruitemy member and got her first campaign up and running yesterday. So she was able to send out 5 VSLs and got 1 response so far from a decision maker, from a hiring manager, a new client.
Last night, I started doing my videos and I was supposed to send out to 10 people, but the time caught up with me. It was 10 o'clock. So I said, let me stop. But I sent 5 videos and I woke up this morning and I received 1 email saying, hey, I would like to schedule an appointment with you to discuss what I can do for the company. So out of 5 videos, I got 1 response. I'm excited. I'm ready to roll.
Grateful to have the opportunity to share my experience and how much the group has helped me throughout this whole process. And since joining the group in about May till now, which is August, I have more business coming in, more new potential clients than I ever did.
Absolutely. Again, thanks, Ross. And to your team. You guys have just been fantastic, very transparent and supportive. So really appreciate you. Been with you guys for a couple months now, and I think what really set the foundation for me is just how much you poured into me in the beginning, and provided your resources and tools to get me launched successfully.
So when I originally joined, I was actually just looking to join to get more use out of automation in the tool, but since I've joined, I've found a lot more value out of being a member and the weekly calls that we do and just learning from the other people involved in the industry.
I just wanted to personally thank you so much for your time and the investment you have taken with me as being my coach, mentor. That one-on-one time is greatly appreciated, greatly valued. I've learned so much through your coaching, your mentorship.
Hi, my name is Mike Santiago. I'm president of Top Tier Talent Advisors. We're an executive search firm. We've been in business 22 years, and our focus in the vertical market is food manufacturing and consumer goods manufacturing. I joined Russ's program right about now. It's been about 6 weeks ago, and the purpose of me joining the program was really to increase our brand. About 1.5 years ago, we started a migration away from contingency search into retained and engaged priority search. The vast majority of what we're doing is priority search or deposit-based search.
My name is Cindy and I joined Recruitemy, and it has been one of the better decisions I've made. Prior to coming to Recruitemy, I worked in IT for roughly 23 years, and I knew that I wanted to do something different and decided on recruiting. I loved the message that he was talking about Recruitemy and the training that you would get. And I decided to give him a call. We spoke on the first time, we spoke about 40 minutes. And I think I asked him like every question I could imagine.
Recruitemy has been a huge game changer for my organization. We're a contingent staffing firm, or should I say we're a contingent staffing firm focused on these sales and operations kind of verticals across a broad range of industries. And one common problem we had were companies who said, sure, your contingent, we'll try you, we'll look at your candidates, and after weeks and hundreds of hours sometimes of work, they would decide to either cancel the rec or maybe find somebody in-house. And it just is a quick way to burn out your people and to not make any money.
Hey, recruiting world. This is Victoria with AIM Healthcare Recruiting. This is a testimonial for Recruitemy, specifically for Russ and Nick. An amazing program. This is really going to take your business up to the next level. And if you are ready to stop working in your business and start working on your business, this is absolutely 100% the program to join.